How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to extract your XRP address or your crypto wallet address on Binance. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and there's even a guide provided by Binance themselves, or rather I should say a forum post by a crypto user. So in this post, it basically shows you the path on how you could extract your crypto wallet address. And because there's a designated and encrypted wallet address for each type of cryptocurrency, they're all unique. So I'll be teaching you how to extract the XRP one. So you basically want to follow this path here. So the first thing that you guys want to do is you want to log into your Binance account like normal. So you could either do this on the website or the Binance app on your phone. Next, you want to navigate to the wallet button, usually found on the top navigation bar if you're on desktop like me, so somewhere around here. But if you guys are using the app, then it'd be somewhere down below. So basically just click on the wallet icon. Now here you'll have a bunch of different options to choose from. So you want to select Fiat and Spot. And then from the list, you want to look for XRP. So once you find XRP, as said so here, under deposit, or the deposit option, you will see the wallet address for that cryptocurrency. So it'll show you guys the details and tell you everything you need about the wallet address for that corresponding currency. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out on how to find the wallet address for your XRPs. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.